Hi everybody and welcome to another exciting recipe of the Robotics Cookbook. First of all, we have to declare some arguments. Of course, we need an argument for the column name and for the column index. Just setting the directions and the argument types and we are ready to go. To transform the column name into the column index, we need a little bit of Visual Basic. Let's declare a variable for the column index. And we declare a second variable which is called I and used as a counter. Now we just ensure that the column name is always uppercase. Now we add a little loop that iterates through all the letters appearing in the column name, adding up their respective positions in the alphabet. We close the script by just printing the result and connecting the parameters. Now we are still facing some errors because we haven't specified the required parameters. That is what we want to do next. Okay, now the errors are gone and we can test the script functionality. Let's start with a simple case, just an A, which should give us the column index of 1. And it works. So let's try another one. Seems to work just fine. So please let me know in the comments which topics are you especially interested in so that I can show them in the next recipe. Thanks a lot for watching this recipe of the robotics cookbook. And as always at the end, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it helps me a lot. Thanks.